How to install Micropython on Raspberry Pi Pico. The easiest and fastest way to run Micropython on Raspberry Pi Pico is to download the pre-built binary from the official Raspberry Pi Pico's website. Go to the documentation page of Raspberry Pi Pico and click on Getting Started Micropython tab. Click the button to download the Micropython firmware. And click and hold the mouse button on the UF2 file, then drag it to the other file manager window open on your Pico's removable storage drive. Hover it over the window and let go of the mouse button to drop the file onto your Pico. After completed Raspberry Pi Pico setup, downloading Thorny. If your host computer is either Linux or Mac, then you can communicate with Raspberry Pi Pico using Terminal and Minicom. But in this tutorial, we will see how to program Raspberry Pi Pico using Thorny IDE. After downloading and installing Thorny IDE, open it. Make sure that Raspberry Pi Pico is already plugged into the host computer. Subscribe our channel for more videos.